strategy. What's the point for this whole video, man? This whole video is about, I'm discussing art, and this is about art, painting and drawing. And all of this is to postulate that if you look at ideas, whole idea of time dilation or special and general relativity, specifically, Einstein get into the whole idea of frame of reference. Because time dilation deals with frame of reference. The twin paradox, I think, is a twin paradox. A lot of that stuff deals with it deals with frame of reference. But if you look at the frame of reference, all of it is all metaphors and analogy. Metaphors and analogy, finding commonalities between different forms of existence.